My name is Rosanna Mullen. I went to school in St Mary's Grammar School in Magherafelt. I attended Magherorty and Bonaninver. I went to Magherorty twice and Bonaninver 3 times. The best thing about going to the Gaeltacht, in my opinion, is meeting new people who you otherwise wouldn't have met from different counties, and in that 3 weeks or 2 weeks you can create really special friendships there, and you otherwise wouldn't have had the opportunity to even meet these people. I chose GCSE Irish because I always loved the language, but when I went to the Gaeltacht I just thought, why not study the language, and I would be able to have the opportunity to go back and maybe even work in the Gaeltacht. I think it's really important to have Irish because it's our native language, and in order to understand our culture and our sports, I think it's important to learn the language as well. I'm currently studying medicine in Queen's University Belfast, and my favourite thing about having learnt Irish is all the different friendships I've made over the years. At the minute I'm playing football through Irish, and it's just so great to have had all these opportunities presented to me because of having spoken Irish. And my favourite Irish language proverb is Far Cargin na Or.